In front of me is OnePlus Open, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. All you need to do is open Play Store and download free app called DevCheck Device and System Info from Flare to Developer. When your app is ready, launch it, and then thanks to it, learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!